Evan Huang on ABC's Fresh Off the Boat. So Evan Huang, he loves to learn about the rules. So today, I'll be learning the ins and outs of the Regent Taipei in Taipei, Taiwan. So here we are with the hotel manager, Melvin Yang. He's going to show me around today.
Hello, presidential suite.
This is steam room, Japanese toilets. It says there's a neck massage.
And we accommodate a lot of celebrities in this presidential suite, including Michael Jackson stayed with us twice, and also Mariah Carey, Lady Gaga, Beyonce, and also Michael Jordan and Tom Cruise.
The view's really nice. I'm gonna see like all of Taipei. So does the butler have to go through training?
Yes, of course. Every butler working out here will train for at least 1 year. We will greet guests by name. So when you're coming up to the lounge, we can recognize you like Mr. Chen. I know you like to eat ice creams.
So this is one of my favorite parts of being a hotel manager. We have to try the food every day and to make sure the food quality is up to standard.
It's really good.
Do you play piano?
I played a little bit when I was younger.
Here's our laundry department. We do all the laundries in here. So we have 538 rooms and all the laundries are being done here. This is a washing machine.
It's really loud in here, and like the floor is like shaking because there's so much machinery running. I've never seen so much laundry in one room.